How to fix Android not ringing for incoming calls. This issue is usually caused by a few simple settings, and I'll walk you through the most effective fixes. So let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Check the sound mode icon. If your phone is set to mute or vibrate, tap the icon until it's set to sound. You can also do this through Settings. Open the Settings app, then tap Sounds and Vibration. Make sure Sound is selected at the top. Next, check if Do Not Disturb is turned on. Go back to Settings, then tap Notifications, followed by Do Not Disturb. If it's enabled, turn it off, since this can silence incoming calls and other notifications. Now go back to Sounds and Vibration and tap Volume. Make sure the ringtone volume slider is turned up high enough so you can hear incoming calls. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Android that's not ringing for incoming calls. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.